In front of me is CUBOT X19 S, and let me show you how to activate nightlight on this device. So at first you will need to open the settings, then locate and click on display and enroll advanced options. Now you need to pick, actually it's here, so you don't have to enroll the advanced. Just open nightlight, and now you can smoothly turn it on by using this tab. And as you can see, now it is active. You can personalize the intensity, so you can pick some cooler or warmer colors, it's up to you, and you can switch it off the same way. But you can also schedule nightlight. To do it, just click on schedule, and you can either turn it on custom time or from sunset to sunrise. So let me show you how to customize this time. Just click on it and then pick start time and end time. And from now on, between those hours, nightlight will be active, and then it will be automatically switched off. So this is it. But also you can quickly activate this mode. To do it, smoothly scroll down the upper bar, and here it is located. So if you'll click once, it will be active. If you'll tap on moon icon again, it will no longer be on. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.